Hello students, I am your new teacher, Miss Shubhangi Chinsolkar ma'am, for one of the interesting subject, that is English. Okay, so there are many topics in your grammar including part of speech, direct indirect speech, change the voice, tenses and all those things. Also there is one textbook to you that I am going to teach you this latter. Okay, but first of all, for the first day we are going to see one interesting topic of the grammar, that is called preposition. Okay, so in that preposition, what is that preposition, where it is come from? You already know what is the part of speech. Okay, and many parts of that speeches. Okay, first of all we have noun, pronoun, then verb, adverb, adjective, then preposition, conjunction and interjection. Like this there are 8 parts of speech. Okay, so from that 8 part of speech, among these 8 part of speech, today we are going to see our first one, that is next one, that is preposition. Okay, which is very interesting. Now see what is that preposition. Preposition means what? Now everyone, maybe you are just panic or a question arises that whatever the questions that you are going to see, what is the meaning of that questions? So here preposition means what? It is the word. Okay, it is one word that is used to link this noun with the other words. Okay, suppose we have two things. Now here this is noun and suppose this is other words. Now this other words includes noun, verb and adjective also. Suppose like this. Suppose this is noun. Okay, now it is the interlinking, or it provides the link between noun with the other words. Now what are these other words? These other words may be noun, next verb and then adjectives. Okay, then adjectives. Like this, anyone from this may be the other words. Okay, means what is this one? This is now the link. Okay, this is link. So it is the word which is used to link noun or pronoun. Okay, this noun may be noun or sometimes it may be the pronoun. Okay, what is noun? It is the name of any place, animal, thing. Okay, name of any person, place, animal, thing. And what is pronoun? A word which is used instead of noun, it is called as a pronoun, like he, she, it, we, they, like this one. Okay, so I will teach you this all later, but first of all we are going to focus on what is preposition. So have you got it? What is preposition? It is the word which is used to link noun or pronoun with the other words like a noun, verb or adjectives. Okay, now what is this link here? This word link means it provides the relationship. It provides the relationship between the noun with the other words. Okay, suppose now we will take an example, because it is very important to clear any topic with the beautiful example. Now just suppose this is the room now. Okay, and suppose there is one table. Now I will draw one table. My drawing is not so much good, but still I will try. Okay, so suppose this is one table and the cat is running out. Okay, and it is now sitting under the table. Suppose here it is the cat. Now the cat is coming and here it is sat like this. Okay, suppose this is the cat. Now this cat is sitting under the table. It is running out and now where it is? It is under the table. So how we can write down the position of that cat with respect to table? Just take an example with this. Okay, example is that cat is running now and just by running out it is sitting under the table. So the cat is sitting under the table. Okay, here now this word under is there. Okay, which word define here the placement or the relationship between this cat and that particular table? The word under. The word under describes the position of that placement of the cat with respect to that given table. Okay, this is nothing but the table. Okay, so here if just imagine the sentence without word under. Okay, just imagine if we have not used the word under, what will be the meaning of the sentence, or how the sentence will become? The cat is sitting the table. It means we are not getting the complete sense of the particular sentences even if we have not used the word under. Okay, understood? Means if we are not going to use the word under, then we are not going to see the meaning of that particular sentence. We are not getting the particular meaning. Okay, so here by using this word under, which is the linking word, here it is the linking word. Okay, because it provides the relationship between placement of the cat with respect to table. So that's why this word under here is the preposition. What is this word under? It is the preposition. Okay, so this is the preposition and that's why it defines the relationship between the placement of the cat with respect to table. Understood? Now see the next one. Now there are the many situations. Now because of this preposition, what we are what we are getting here, because of this word prepositions, we are confirm the placement, the sitting placement of the particular cat. Means the cat is sitting under the table. Clear? Now see the next one. Actually, there are many types of prepositions, but first of all, it is all types of preposition is mainly depend on the three situation. Okay, what are these situations? Suppose here we are going to see types of preposition. Okay, this type of preposition depends on three situations. Because three kinds of prepositions are there. Three types of preposition. So these types are depend on three situations. Which are these three situations? First one is when, okay, and second one is where, and third one is in which direction, means where to go or where to put something. Okay, so regarding to this one, first one, just imagine here what we are going to see in case of when. When means what? It is the preposition. It is the preposition that which tells us that when the things or event is going to be happen. Okay, means at which time. For the particular time we are going to use when. Okay, and then what about where? Means it is the preposition of place. Okay, it is the preposition of place, means the preposition of a place which describes the particular place. Okay, means where the given event or the things is going to happen, where the things is going to happen. Here, when the things is going to happen, when the things is going to happen, where the things is going to happen, and in which direction that particular things or event is going to be happening. Understood? Means regarding to this three situation here, we are going to see what are the types of preposition. Understood? Now in the first thing, see what are the types of, means in which basis of when, means basis of time. How many prepositions are there? See, in, on, at, before, after, etc. These are the preposition related to time because it describes the time. Now what about where? Preposition of place. It gives like example under, above, below, in, on, at. Now you might be confused that here also we are going to use in, on, at, and here also we are going to use in, on, at. Okay, but don't get confused. These all verbs, these all prepositions actually are used in the different meanings. Okay, related to different situations, and that's why. So here even if we are going to take the same prepositions, here also in, on, at, and here also in, on, at, then don't get confused. They are used in the different meaning. Okay, so see, first of all we will see what is the example of when. When means preposition of time. Related to this one we are going to see some examples so that you can understand the clear topic, the clear concept of the when. Okay, so here take an example. If you understood this one, write down this in your notebook by taking the screenshot of this. Okay, so here I am going to erase this. Now see here, in case of when, we are going to see what is in, on, at. Okay, means I will solve this 3-1. Now this remaining 2, you have to solve it. Okay, by understanding the concept. Now see what is in. Okay, first of all we will take an example by ourselves only. In means what? Where we can use it. Suppose I am here and my birthday falls in September. Okay, when my birthday falls in September on 25 March. Okay, on 25 September. Okay. So depending on that particular things. So suppose I will take first example. My birthday falls in September. Okay, in September. Means here what is this in? This in is the linking word which provides the relationship of my birthday with respect to that particular month. Okay, which represents the relationship of my birthday on that particular month. Okay, in that particular month. So now just ask me when your birthday falls. When? See, point came now. When your birthday falls, my birthday falls in September. Understood? Means why we are going to use in? Because it describes the time. It describes the time. Means time means what? When the time is in September. In September my birthday falls. Okay, on 25 September. So here first point get clear with this in. Means there is a word in which is the preposition which describes the relationship between my birthday on that particular month. Okay, and now it is also related to time. That's why it is called as a preposition which is related to time. Now see the second one. What is on? So take another example. Suppose I'm just going to school and now the school is over. So now vacations are coming. So how can I describe this? My vacations ends on Monday. Suppose my vacation ends on Monday. Okay, on Monday. So what is this on here? What is this on? This on describes that the relationship between vacation with respect to that particular day. Means on Monday my vacations are going to end. Okay, means when my vacations are going to end, my vacations are going to end on Monday. Understood this one also? Because this on here which is used in that particular sentence is nothing but the preposition, because there is a relationship, of linking, because it describes the relationship between vacations and day, particular day. Okay, and it is also related to time. Understood? So that's why we are using this on with respect to time here as a preposition of time. Okay, so got it? Now see the next one, at. Now you can also take the example by yourself also. Okay, you can make many examples. At least you have to today want to make the 10 or 5, at least 5 related to each preposition. Make the 5 sentences related to in, make 5 also related to on, and like this one with everyone. Okay, no need to tell again. So here for third one, it gets cold at night. Okay, it gets cold at night means when it gets cold at night. Okay, it gets cold at night means what is that at here? At is the linking word which describes the relationship between coldness with that particular time of night. Okay, with that particular time of night, and that's why here this is the at word which is used here with respect to time. Means now here it is known as a preposition of time. Understood guys? So these are the 3 examples which is related to when means preposition of time. I hope you understand. Related to before and after, you do it by yourself. Okay, if you understand this one. Okay, no problem. So just write down this one also in your notebook by taking the screenshot of this one. Now we will see the next one, that is preposition of place. Means where the things is going to be happen, where the things or particular event is going to be happened. Where? Okay, now the point arises here, where. Okay, so now suppose take a same example of that cat or particular thing. I will erase this one first. Now see here many words are there, in, on, at. Okay, now I told you na that one also here and that one also here. Why? Because they are used in the different situations. We can take a different example. Suppose the plane is just below the cloud. Below the cloud. Okay, now here what is that below word? Okay, this is related to direction. Okay, we will not take that one. So it is related to direction. That's why we are going to see the next one, second topic. You can take any example by yourself. Suppose we will take something from the book here. Okay, so in case of that, take in first example. Suppose I have the book of bunch. Okay, books of bunch, and here it is suppose the table. So I am just keeping that all books on the table. So here with respect to table, which preposition I will use? The books are kept on the table. Okay, so here what is this on? Now here the books are there. Okay, what is the placement of that book? Here it is related with place. Okay, here it means I have to know where I am keeping the books. I am keeping that particular bunch of the books, means bundle of the books, on table. Now what is the placement of that books? Placement of book is table. Means table is what? It is the place. Okay, so that's why here whatever the word on, that is here also on was there, but I was used in the different sense. Okay, in the different kind of manners related to different situation. Here also on I am using, but related to placement, that is the placement of table. Okay, means on table I am keeping the books. Okay, that particular bunch of books. So that's why this is the first example. Now you can take another example also related to this one. You can take a next example. Suppose the plane is just below the cloud. Okay, same thing. The plane is just below the cloud. Same thing, no? We have taken just before of that below. What is this word below? Here also the word below is there. What is this below? Below is the placement. Means suppose one plane is there. Suppose you are seeing that plane is here, and just imagine that plane is here. Okay, and that where the plane is going, it is just below the cloud. Means suppose cloud is there and the plane is under the cloud. Under means below of that. Here the situation is different because the placement is given. That's why whatever this below word we have used here, it is related to place. So what is this? It is related to place, means where we can say where the plane is. How can we ask the question related to this? Where the plane is landing or where the plane is going. Okay, where the plane is situated. Like this you can make the any question related to this, but the answer will only one come, that the plane is just below the cloud. Okay, the plane is just below the cloud, means in that way you can write down the word below. What is this word below? This word below is nothing but the linking word which describes the relationship between that particular plane with respect to that particular cloud. Okay, now this is the preposition of place because it indicates place. Understood, guys? So here not only these two examples, you can take many examples related to at, under, above, in, on, below, like this. That is for your practice only. Okay, so just make some sentences related to this one, but it was related to it must be related to place. Okay, understood this one? I hope you understood this second topic also. What about this third one? The third one is in which direction. Means now here this type of preposition describes us where the things or where that particular events is going to be happen. Means in which direction. Okay, suppose there are many directions, east, west, north, south, and again the sub direction also. But here one thing should be known, that where the particular things is going to happen, means in which direction. Suppose suppose here I am taking the example related to this to, into, of, from, up. These are all the preposition which describes me the direction. Which describes me the direction. Means why I am using this word? Because it is related to directions. Suppose I am taking the sub two questions in that. Okay, take the two example related to this one. Now see here I am using the word he went up the hill. Up means what? Suppose one guy is there. Now it is going to up. It is going to hill. Suppose this is the hill. Okay. Now the person is there. Who is sitting now? Now this person is one by one going to the hill. Means here it is now going. Okay. Now here it is reached up to the hill. So how can I describe his direction? Now this is the direction of that particular person. It is going from downwards to upward direction. So that's why how I will say? I will say that he went up the hill. Means now he was here and now he went up the hill. Okay, understood? He went up the hill. Got it? Now why we are using this word up here? Because if we have not used the word up, then we will not get the complete sense of the particular sentence, and that's why the prepositions are very important to know the particular placement or relationship between the noun or pronoun with the other words like a noun, verb or adjective. Got it? So same here, that the person is downwards, now sitting in the downwards and going to the upward, means up to the hill. Got that clear? Okay. So see the second way. We went to Hyderabad last week. Okay. We went to Hyderabad last week, means when we went to Hyderabad, where we went to. Okay. Where to put something, where to go. Okay. Like this. So when we went to Hyderabad last week. Here this word to. What is this to? Here the word to is that it is the linking word. This word to is the linking word which describes the direction. Why it describes the direction? Because now I am here, suppose in Danki, and then I have to go to Hyderabad. Okay, it means starting from this place I have to go Hyderabad, means I am going the direction of Hyderabad. So what is this? This is nothing but the where, means preposition which indicates me the direction where I have to go. Okay, here same thing, we went up to the hill. Here also we went to Hyderabad last week, like this we can say. Okay, so to and up is the linking word here which describes the relationship of where the person is going, means it is going up the hill, and where it is going that's last week Hyderabad. Okay, understood this one? So students, like this you can make many examples related to particular preposition. If you understand what is preposition, now just remember what we have learned. Just remember once we have learned what is preposition. Okay, preposition is the word which is used to link noun or pronoun with the other words like a noun, verb or adjective. Clear? We have also seen one cat was coming and just sitting under the table. So to describe the position of the cat, we are using the word under there. What is this word under? It is nothing but the preposition. Okay. Got this clear? Now again there are situations. Every kind of person has some situations for taking the decision. Okay. Suppose I am here and I have to take some decision. Then I have some situations that I have to think about it. Same situations are coming to the preposition. Okay. Means for preposition is a one person which is thinking about some situations. So there are three situations. Depending on three situations, it has three kinds of preposition. What are these three kinds of preposition? First one is when, means preposition of time, which is called preposition of time. Then second is the where preposition of place or placement. And third one is preposition of direction. Okay, means where the things are, where the events is going to be happening. Okay, or occurred. Like this, there are the three situations, and that's why three types of preposition. Again, there is one more topic, that is prepositional phrase. It is called as a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Phrase means what? It is the group of words. Okay. And then what is prepositional phrase? Means prepositional phrase means now here we can take group of prepositions. Here we will take a group of preposition. But this topic we will learn in the next session for your clarification. Okay. But if you see this topic also now, you'll get quite confused that one day we are learning so much. Okay. So that's why we will skip that topic and we will learn after next session. Okay. In the next session we will learn. So guys, I hope you understand this all things very clearly. If you have any doubts regarding to this one, you can contact me. You can say me or send me some photos related to this on my WhatsApp number only. Okay. So I hope you understand. Just learn these all things. Just write down these examples also and just create one more examples regarding to this one. Okay. So got clear with this? What is preposition? What are the types of prepositions? How we can use the situations or preposition in the particular situations. Okay. So I hope you understand this all. Thank you so much for giving me the time. And just today do your study and homework. Okay. And send me after completions. So thank you. Have a nice day.